Okay, this is our room in Witherspoons, Catherine Wheel in Henley-on-Thames. It's a very basic room. We're actually quite disappointed with the state of the room. There aren't any USB points, and there's not even any power points down this side of the bed, just one over that side. And the bathroom area is very congested. Like, literally you have to come in to close the door. So yeah, this one was a little bit of a disappointment, I must admit. And you can see from the state of the tiles that it's a bit grotty. And over here there's even grout missing. But overall, it's okay. It hasn't put us off going to all Witherspoons yet. So yeah, I'll film the outside as we go downstairs. We're just going to pop to the shop and then we'll be checking out and heading down south. Okay. That's the hotel we're staying at. The Catherine Wheel in Henley-on-Thames. So we'll just walk through the hotel and we'll walk up to our room and then we're going to go check out. This is the entrance to the hotel, well, the pub part of the hotel. Let's try and get the floor. Okay. All these blazers and stuff. It's a nice hotel. Plenty of bars. And you walk down this way. Here. There to the garden. Oh, Jesus Christ. I get that door every time. And then we've got the stairs. Kids' pictures. Through this one. More kids' pictures. of our room. That's it. That's Catherine will. Hello, it's Sunday the 10th and the 10th of May that is, and we've come out with Phil, Nikki and Harry, and we're going to a car show, but we've stopped in Basingstoke and we've just parked up and we're going to go have a little wander around and then go to this car show. So you'll see us all later on.
Leveling headlights. So when you turn it on, it self-levels and it turns when you go around the corner.
Does it?
Yeah, it costs about 500 each headlights. The bulb's about 50 years.
Hope your dads have introduced 5 million watt LEDs.
Just having a wander around the shopping centre. All the shops are still closed. Just having a wander. Quite cold today. Well, those of us that got female brains put long trousers on and a jumper, and the ones that don't are wearing shorts. Aren't you, dear?
Sorry?
I said you're wearing shorts because you didn't think to put long trousers on.
My manly legs. Shorts on, except the intelligent ones.
There you go, confirmed. I'm just walking a little bit round Basingstoke. Just been through the shopping centre. And we're just having a little wander around outside before we head back to the car.
Do that once more.
Okay, we're at the Basingstoke Car Show. There's always an idiot. So I'll pick this up as and when we see something that's interesting and not just motors like that. Michael finds interesting. Anybody watching these videos that's not family, apologise, but yeah, these are predominantly done just for our holiday memories and for our families. But if you are watching, please feel free to like and subscribe. And car enthusiasts. Oh, they found the TR7.
So it's more that Rover then. One other in Adelaide, and that's all TR8. It's still not that long.
I wouldn't put it past half the game.
They're close.
Little group of minis.
See this, look.
GT's nice.
Starts with H.
Do you want to go see Grandad's car?
Well, Vauxhall's this side.
Insignia that's still so.
It's one of them car, it's one of the builds in the car. Yeah. And what makes this one quite rare is it's a build in the car. It's actually 4 boxes in the back. Oh yeah, I know.
How's the bus going section?
Some of them, when they landed, they go straight, they landed like that. We're talking about 20, 25 years ago now. And they jumped sideways.
I wouldn't like that. No, yeah, Sierra Sapphire.
Yeah, it's similar, but
This is a nice one.
I think I've played it a few times.
case closed.
Hulk one.
I don't have any nuggets from nothing.
They find the primary school distills little ones. This one is separate, and we can actually walk from home.
I do like an Alfa Romeo, I must admit. There's a bike and a half.
Oh wait, it is. Excuse me.
Don't walk around me, eh?
Excuse me, Max. Outer space. It's really cool. Max, run away, Max.
Don't touch, Max, just look, don't touch. Isn't it beautiful?
The last time, if you remember, they transported. only knows what's going to...
They couldn't get it soon as they arrived there. They were about. Like from July 20. So it's nearly 18 months old. I actually got it. 16 months. See what I mean? Just been sitting in the store. It's like that much more thing as well. July month,
Well, he goes to a car show and he just goes off. Like, need to put one of those things on him, you know, with the leaf. Don't we, dear? Oh dear, they're broken.
On the TR7, there must be a fault with the lights. Because when I was buying it, the headlights were, it must have taken about 5 times. The headlights must be a problem with the motor on the diesel front. It gets all wet.
Yeah.
Starting to run.
See Nathan?
Hello. Alright. Hello.
Right, come on then, let's go and get this photo. Hello.
Scoobies with the Scooby car.
You know that photo? Should be in as well. And I wanted to cure something conservation. I wanted to make sure you
Thank you.
get down.
3 litre one.
Right, we're back again.
That's tax 273.
Yeah.
3 litre Essex.
Oh, yeah, 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 come on, yeah.
Yeah.
That's like owners. Citron.
Thank you very much for having us.
Yes.
Where are you? Field today. So what do you get if you come and visit?
Yeah, so we are right down by the car stand, and we have loads of fun things today. Table fun today, we've got football games, and lots of content so definitely worth coming down and having a look see, getting involved with some of our activities today. And well, we have to be very thankful to the Rotary for everything that you guys have done for us. We know that you raise a lot of funds for these big events, and we have been one of the many recipients of your amazing soft donations, from Christmas gifts for our young carers to a ton of Easter eggs over the Easter period. We had so many, didn't we, Christina? Yeah, we had loads. So many donations. And it's just a wonderful charity. It's a fantastic event, and we cannot thank the Rotary enough for all of your support over the years.
It's a pleasure that support you and all the people support you. So tell us little charity you have.
Yeah.
Yeah, of course. So, Basingstoke and District Young Carers are based specifically in Basingstoke and Dean area. We support all the young people who are young carers, so family members. This could be a sibling with autism, a parent who has a terminally ill illness, and we basically provide a lot of care and environment for our young carers. These come in a few different ways, from respite youth clubs to trips and activities and things. And I think if I go any deeper, you'll get bored of listening to my voice. So I'm going to let Christina talk about being a young carer and what she loves most about youth clubs.
I'm a young carer. I live. I found out about youth club from my mum, who about it. Really because every other Thursday, the longest it lasts. 90 minutes. And what people seem to do in the event. Chat with friends, like hang out with like games, food, art, What would you be doing if you weren't at youth club? Probably like nothing much. How do people get referred into you? How do you find out about them?
Yeah, of course. So we do have a website. It's basingstokeanddistrictcarers.org.uk. Now I probably said that far too quick, but you can find us on Facebook and Instagram as well. So if you have a young carer within your family, please reach out through the website and or any of our social media platforms. We have loads of services, from mental health services, etc. So you can usually get referred to us through most of those services. I know we're highly promoted for the support we provide some of our young carers, and that's mostly through social care really, and charities as well. That's pretty much how you get referred in. And you can have a chat with us today as well, we'll tell you everything. Perfect, thank you. So that's how people can help you, and how can people get involved with your charity? How can they fund you, volunteer for you? If they don't need to call for help for it, we go off to things like London, we go to a thing which is the Young Carers Festival, which is a massive event where we can take about 25 children camping, and they get to do loads of outdoor adventure and stuff. We do trips out to the Vine and things. So
Is it 1600E? No, it's a GT, isn't it?
No, it's a 16.
Some of our young families can't quite get to where our youth club is, so the support's a little bit more distant. So anyone that can help out with that, get people in and out of the club is great. And we also accept donations from fundraising options as well. So
1600E? It's a 1600E?
Yeah.
Out there as well.
That's the same here as well.
Want to do that, and we're always open to donating for activities as well, which is always a great thing. And if you have something cool that you like to do, like a park, come into the club and show our young parents how to do it, they love it.
Our very first car was a 1600E. Same colour, gold.
The most part is that young carers, they're incredibly hidden within our community, within schools and generally.
And the best car here. She's gorgeous.
They were up in the loft of the garage, and just had his head.
What size it is on the back?
Not 3.
No, what size engine?
No. It is gorgeous.
Not many left now.
No. And my dad's car.